What's up guys, Tekshan here, back with another Cool Tech episode. Or should I say, Wow Tech episode. The idea of the Cool Tech series here at Tekshan is to filter, test and bring you guys some of the best available stuff across various categories. This time, I have some amazing products for you guys and I'm sure you will love it. Sit back and enjoy, and as always, if you end up liking this video, make sure to smash the like button. That's all I request from you guys. I hope you'll do it. Alright, let's roll. First product on my list. Wait, for a change, let's start with a special product. This time, an amazing mini soundbar, maybe unlike anything that you have seen. Check out the Ant Audio Treble X1000, an amazing mini soundbar come Bluetooth speaker. This is a mind-blowing product, and I mean it. In fact, this tops my list in the budget speaker segment in recent times. Ant Audio is a UK-based company and they have a very good audio lineup. In the box, you have the mini soundbar. We'll get to it in a bit. Then a welcome card. A small box that has a 3.5mm cable and a micro USB cable for charging. Finally, manual. That's about it. Hell yeah, that's the Ant Audio Treble X1000. A fantastic mini soundbar come Bluetooth speaker. First look, as you see, the design is kinda unique and funky, isn't it? What I have here is the red color model. You also get it in black. Build top notch, super premium. A mix of metal and plastic construction. To the front, you have two 5-watt speakers with 52mm premium drivers in this nice, funky, colorful design grill, and it's awesome. Kinda like a graffiti style design up here. Center, you have a silver knob, which is the on-off button come volume control. So you can twist to reduce or increase the volume. It's very smooth and handy. Top call button, yep, for calls. The next previous, and a mode switch to toggle between different input options. And even FM radio, yep, this has that as well. To the back, you have the connectivity options. A 3.5mm slot for wired connection, a micro SD card slot, and a full USB slot that can take in max 32GB card or pen drive for you to play songs directly from it, and a micro USB port with LED indicator for charging. Apart from that, you also have Bluetooth 5 support for wireless connectivity. Bottom rubber base for grip. Here are the dimensions of the soundbar for your reference. Be it using with the TV, desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. This is a speaker you will love, not only for the audio but also for its style. On the audio quality, well, you will be surprised. Balanced highs, mids and lows, bass is thumping. Excellent audio quality. Here is a sample.
Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let's take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day.
On the battery backup, with its 1500 mAh battery, you get about 6 hours of playback, which is good. Charging takes about 2 hours. Overall, for around Rs 1,799, this mini soundbar come Bluetooth speaker can be a perfect decor, yet satisfying your music needs with style. Worth it. Can be a fantastic gift as well. Wanna buy one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Check it out. Alright, second wow product on my list is a multi-use gadget that will come in super handy on your desk. Check out the Silvercrest Organizer, a 5-in-1 product which is a must-have on your desk. Silvercrest is a German brand and they are good. Let's unbox and talk more. In the box you have the organizer, a manual, a USB cable, that's about it. And here it is. This is a 5-in-1 desk organizer which is so cool. All plastic build, looks sturdy, comes in multiple colors as well. The first main highlight of this is it's a high-speed USB hub. Yep, you have 3 USB 3 slots that you can connect to your PC or laptop using the cable provided. Then to the front, you have 4 compartments to store whatever you want, like visiting cards, sticky notes, stationery clips, pins, etc. So they come in handy on your desk. Next, a pen stand, so you can drop in some pens, scissors, pencil, stapler, whatever. If you want to partition, you can also do that with this small unit. Then here you have a phone stand. Cool, right? But it's not just that. You also get a slot to connect your charging cable. Just insert and route the cable from the bottom or side. And bam! Dock your phone to charge. Or use it as a phone stand. In fact, you can use the same USB hub to charge as well. Isn't that cool? But wait, there's even more. To the back, you also have a tablet slot where you can dock your tablet and charge. Awesome, right? Here are the dimensions to give you an idea. A high-speed USB hub, a pen stand, an organizer, a mobile stand, a tablet stand. This is an all-in-one gadget to have on your desk for sure. For around Rs 480, this will definitely help you keep things organized on your desk. Can be a great gift as well. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Check it out. Alright, third wow product on my list is again an interesting handy multi-use product. Check out the JY Super Portable Rechargeable LED Fan. Well, you might think, Shan, what can be special with the fan?
Yeah, you read my mind. What can be so special, Shan?
Well, you're wrong. Let me show you why. In the box, you have the fan and the charging cable. That's about it. Here is a closer look at the JY Super Portable Rechargeable Fan. It's a reasonable size fan that will come in super handy in your desk to keep you cool during the summer season. Build is all plastic yet solid, and yes, comes in multiple colors. To the front, you have the 3-piece blade, and you can tilt the angle of the blade to your liking. So that's cool. Bottom, 2 buttons, one for fan, which gives you 3 speed levels, and it's more than enough for a single person. Good throw. Next highlight is you get a button for light. Press and tada! You have an LED light that glows. Handy during power cuts. Cool thing is you get 2-level brightness adjustment as well. Now flip to the bottom, you have a slot which houses the 2400 mAh rechargeable batteries. That can give you max 6 to 7 hours of LED, 3 hours of fan, and about 2.5 hours of both fan and LED, which is good. Then to the back, you have the charging slot with LED indicator and a full USB slot. Well, here is the next highlight. You can also use this fan as a power bank during emergencies. That's right, just for a quick top up of your phone, you can plug it in and charge your smartphone. How cool is that? Again, handy during emergency situations like power cut. Here are the dimensions of the fan. A handy fan for your desk, kitchen, office. Use cases are many. For around Rs 699, a must-have handy product to own or even to give someone. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Check it out. Alright, next on my list is a must-have product during this COVID situation. But before we get to that, I'm sure by this time you guys know about my newly launched game Shan's Treasure Hunt. It's a fun, super addictive, offline, no ads game. This week I have some phenomenal updates to it. Starting off with a new character, Shakti Shan. He is awesome. Then in Planet Xandar, you get in an ultimate battle with Voltrax. You have to defeat him. Then you get to unlock the teleporter and head to Planet Avalon. This planet is inspired from the Mayans, where new challenges awaits you, followed by Cax Wave, Tropical Wave, Maya Wave, and more. It's an awesome time pass game. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and download the game from the Google Play Store. Search for Techshan and install. Existing users, make sure to update the app. Okay, now to the product. Check out the multipurpose Prevent COVID keychain. Trust me, this is a must-have one. And here it is. I have featured many multipurpose keychains on the channel, but this 7-in-1 keychain is the need of the hour for everyone to protect yourself from viruses that are on surfaces. But how? Let me show you. Yes, it's a keychain. Next, you can use it to open door handles or car door without touching. Then you have a tip to access ATM, even ATM touchscreens or lift buttons. It can also be used to pull trolley while shopping. Bottle opener? Yep. Then tada, a mobile stand as well. And finally, it can be used as a mini scale. Helps you access many things without directly touching them. The build is also very good. Made of all metal, it's super strong and compact to carry around.
Oh ho ho ho! Finally, we have Techshan back with another exclusive comparison.
Well, if I have to say, the size of the keychain is approximately in the size of a Jokes wafer.
Yummy!
Yup, crazy but true. Another exclusive Techshan comparison. Overall, for around Rs 199, this is a must-have product during this situation. You can even consider it as a thoughtful gift during this time. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Check it out. Alright, next on my list is a handy one during this work from home and online class situation. Many of us, especially kids, are using either mobile phones or tablets for taking up online classes. check out the portable foldable stand. This is a cool 2-in-1 stand where you can mount your mobile or even your tablet from small to even large 10-inch ones easily for you to conveniently use them. Let me show you. In the pack you have the stand, that's about it. And here it is. All plastic build. Bottom you have foam padding for grip. Since it's totally adjustable, you can use it with ease. For mobile, just detach the bottom part and expand this part and place your mobile. It's that simple. You can even keep it vertical. For a tablet, just apply some force and expand the center part. Ta-da! How easy can this get? The joints use gear mechanism and are super strong and won't get loose. It's pretty stable. Frankly, this is a simple tool and a very handy one during online meeting, classes, even for enjoying some movies and more. Be it your mobile or tablet, this 2-in-1 stand supports both. You can even fold it and carry anywhere. For around Rs 270, a very handy tool. Can also be a useful gift to someone. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Check it out. So, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. And let me know in the comments which one from the list you like the most. Want to buy any of the products featured in this video? Best Buy links are in the description, check it out. Price might fluctuate plus or minus time to time. It's not in my control, guys. So please understand. New detection, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then.